Hey everybody, it's Supergirl KY here again with another Cricut creation, and this time we are going to be adding some vinyl labels to my storage. Now to make this design, what I did was I typed out everything how I wanted it, and I changed the font to double whipped, which makes it a little bit crafty but also very legible. And then once I placed everything out how I wanted it, and I liked how it looked, I went ahead and clicked Make It. Once everything was cut, I laid it out in order in which it goes onto my actual drawers. I then went ahead and started placing them. And there you have it, my labeled drawers. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe. As always, I will add the link to this design in the description below. And as always, it has been a pleasure, and have a super day.